Mabuhay! A splendid morning to all the reputable individuals gathered here today. To our CEO, Sir Michael Schoenberg, to our beautiful robotics mechatronic engineer, my dear sister, Engineer Lila Schoenberg, to our esteemed guests, academic director, faculty members, supportive parents. Actually, there are familiar faces here that I can recognize. And our exceptional QAT awardees, your accomplishments are truly commendable and you deserve a heartfelt recognition. You know, I am delighted to share a very brief story. In 1990s, a third-year high school student participated in a special program where she and her classmates became little teachers that taught mathematics to younger students. She had the privilege of mentoring a grade 5 student named Enrico. Despite being smart and handsome, Enrico had a childish side, often viewed as makulit and pasaway, resembling a bully. Fast forward to 2024, after so many years, Enrico reached out to her and expressed gratitude for her patience during their teaching days. To her surprise, the once makulit and pasaway boy has transformed into a successful lawyer, now known as Attorney Enrico Lingad. That story beautifully illustrates the transformative power of QAT. Q for quality education, A for adaptability, and T for technological savviness in shaping our students' futures. With our theme, Filipino Youth for a Stronger Future of the New Philippines, we can be encouraged that your little one might be the next senator or future robotics engineer who will explore another planet. So, you need to train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Even with our SPED department, those cute little ones, yes, actually I was encouraged. You are our rainbow connection. You bring hope, joy, and inspiration. So to our QAT achievers, as well as to the proud parents, hats off to all of you. Always remember that your alma mater will forever be a place you can call home. By the way, that little teacher of Attorney Enrico Lingad was me. He reached out to me after so many decades. Again, congratulations. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And let's all say, mabuhay. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Marjorie, for your motivational speech. Your message has truly touched our hearts and has added a special significance to this occasion. Your recognition and appreciation to their efforts mean a great deal to all of us, especially to our distinguished and invaluable service during the moving up of K-12 Innovative Education Recognition Grants of QAT Blended Learning Education Middle East with the theme Filipino Youth for a Stronger Future of the New Philippines, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and successful of the occasion. Given the 30th of June 30 in the year of the Lord 2020,